What's up guys, I'm Michael from Stinger Australia, and today we're going to take a look at two different ways you can install the Stinger ELEV8 into your vehicle. Now, as you saw in the last video, this is my daily driver 2013 Honda Civic hatchback. Now this is a great example of where you can actually install the Stinger ELEV8 straight back into the location of the factory radio. Now this is using one of our Stinger doubled-in dash kits we have available for this Honda Civic that allows you to mount this using the supplied singled-in bracket that comes in the kit and the highway module mounted directly behind it. Now I have this screen mounted in this direction as it flows quite well with the shape of the dash. If I wanted to, I can easily flip this screen around, and on initial setup, you simply tell it what orientation the screen is. So I could have these buttons down below if I wanted to. So this is my 2001 Lexus LS430 VIP project car. And as you'll see there, that right there is the Stinger ELEV8, custom fabricated into the dash panel. And that's one of the things that makes the ELEV8 really cool, is the fact that I actually have the highway module for this installed down behind the dash here with an extension harness brought up. This means that you can take this panel and simply flush it into some really cool applications. We also have the router template available with the Stinger ELEV8. So when you want to actually custom fabricate this into your dash, if you're a custom fab kind of guy, we have you covered. So guys, there's two different ways that you can install the Stinger ELEV8 directly into your vehicle, either using one of our supplied dash kits and dropping it straight into the dashboard of so many vehicles with the thousands of different dash kits we have, or if you want to go down the custom route, you can mount the Stinger ELEV8 into places you would never normally fit a doubled-in radio. Now this is currently in stock and available from stingeraustralia.com.au, or is available for order from any of our resellers. So check out the website and have a look at the features.